Welcome to the LinkCycle platform. Whether I am a company that is just curious about sustainability, looking to quantify my environmental impacts, or required to comply with a regulatory policy, I have a wealth of options with different levels of commitment before me. I can either conduct an LCA myself, or I can find a consultant who can conduct the analysis remotely. This is how LinkCycle is changing the face of consulting, adding to the open and distributed approach that is at its core. There are two main LCA tools provided by LinkCycle: a screening LCA that can be done in 5 minutes time free of charge, and a detailed full LCA tool. The user is guided through every step based on what they are trying to do. Let us demonstrate. Let's calculate the impacts of a plastic water bottle. We can either search for it or click through the available data. We type in plastic and a list of available options appear from the auto-complete feature. Let's try PET plastic. Now we input how much the bottle weighs and the appropriate unit. Now we can select greenhouse gases as the impact we are interested in studying. Quickly, the user obtains a visual map of the other sectors of the economy that are involved throughout the life cycle, and we can navigate this map in order to obtain more information, such as descriptions of the activities in those sectors and emissions that contribute to plastic making from that sector. By clicking on the Results tab, we have useful information in under 5 minutes that helps us make decisions on how to improve a product's sustainability, or to be able to compare it to another material, such as corn-based bioplastics. But the screening LCA uses aggregated data, so it is not as accurate or detailed as we might like. This leads us to create a customized LCA, which is LinkCycle's bread and butter. Welcome to the full LCA platform. Here we have the option to navigate the current data or create an entirely new LCA for a company's product or service. The current data includes a foundation of building block data, as well as information input by the previous users. Let's create a new LCA and demonstrate the power that collaboration brings to corporate sustainability. In order to build up a full LCA for the plastic bottle, let's start with crude oil extraction and refining. We can drag this in and double-click on it for more information, in case we want to make sure that the region is correct. This represents a world average mix for 2009, which is good enough for now, even though oil used to produce the bottle comes from Alaskan oil reserves. If it turns out to be a very important element in the life cycle, the user will be automatically prompted to improve the regional specificity in order to improve the data. Now, let us add a new process for plastic processing, where the oil distillates are converted to PET. This is the data collection engine that enables the LinkCycle data ecosystem to grow. One can either input the necessary information for the process or send a link to the person with the information needed. Let's send a link to the plastics processor so they can input electricity usage and waste occurring in their facility. This feature enables collaboration amongst companies within a single supply chain. If we don't know how to improve my LCA, we can click on the Quality Assessment button. This will tell me what critical phases we are missing, such as product use and product disposal in my case. It can also identify that our data is not from the same year or that the data sources are not well documented. This guidance helps improve the LCA and helps LinkCycle collect more information for subsequent users. Our incentive as users is a quality LCA, which requires completeness and transparency of assumptions and data sources. As a benefit, it helps others that have similar product systems to do their LCAs more rapidly. We can also do a quality check that is specific to one of many LCA standards. We can select a standard and verify the level of compliance with that standard, which utilizes LinkCycle's own algorithms. The platform will guide us automatically towards compliance, making it much easier than navigating through hundreds of pages of guidance documents. Once our LCA is complete, we can now review the results in the Results tab. Here we have a variety of views, including bars and charts, and can also compare different scenarios. For example, we can compare the plastic bottle to a corn-based polymer Or we can compare recycling versus landfilling of the plastic at the end of its life. Finally, we have the option to order a complete EPD report or Environmental Product Declaration, which can be given to the management team, the product design team, regulatory agency, or have on file to back up my company's green marketing campaign. We can also export the data to Excel or other file formats. At any point, to clarify any questions, there are info boxes we can click on for help, a user forum to interact with others, or we can directly call LinkCycle's customer support for a variety of services, ranging from a simple question to full LCA consultation. Thank you for checking out the LinkCycle tool. For more information, contact us at info@linkcycle.com.